Hi, I'm Corin. How are you? Welcome to What's in Your Blender. What is in your blender? What's about to be in my blender? I just took a really hot bath and I'm still going to be doing the bathtub video where I show you all the pointers of how to detox in the bathtub, and how to stretch exercise in the tub. So I went in there and I detoxed, I sweat, I drank water, I did my stretch exercises, and now I did some sit-ups, and now I'm ready for a nice cold drink because it got really hot here again. So let's begin, shall we? Okay, so this is going to be mostly fruit and very little sugar, and the sugar that's in it is going to be cane sugar. That's because the juice that I have contains a little bit of cane sugar, but it's all natural juices, so there's no extra chemicals. And let's start with some orange juice, and I'm just going to eye it, and I'm going to do about a half a cup, or actually, let's do like about a cup each. So there's one. How's it going today? I'm like really thirsty and I saved it all for this video. I'm like, please give me something cold to drink. So this banana feels a little mushy, but it's ripe. It's not too ripe, so let's check it out. Let's see what's going on with this banana. Okay, it looks like it got bruised. So that could be fixed. Let's just cut off the bruised part, shall we? Because we don't want to put any kind of rotten fruit in there. Okay, so it looks like we got about a half a banana here. And I also have a plum. Yummy, it's summer, how exciting. So I'm gonna cut all of that, including the skin. I'm just gonna cut pieces off of it. And I always check it for any brown marks and cut those part off. Have you bought a blender and are you making some of your meals substitutes for smoothies and slushies? I highly recommend it. It fills you up. It gives you nutrients that you need. And I'll save that pit for later. There's like some plum meat on there. Now I'm going to add some lemonade. So let's do about a cup of lemonade. Oh my God, delicious. All right. And last but not least, let's have this apple. So I like to just I like to not use the skin of the apple actually. So I'm going to cut the skin off. Yeah, because it makes it really weird texture. It gives it little specks in there and I don't like them. So let's get rid of all the skin off the apple. I mean, we could leave a little bit. Okay, so we got a nice juicy piece of apple there. And we could leave a little skin, but I'm just kind of piecing this together here. I'm sure there's a better way to peel this apple skin with a peeler. I've never been into peelers. I just like getting the knife and taking care. Okay, so we got that. And another big chunk of apple. Let us get rid of that skin, most of it. So what do we have so far? We have orange juice, a plum, lemonade, an apple, and are you going to the store and buying fresh fruits? I highly suggest it for your health. Let's get all the meat. I'll be eating that later along with that plum pit. Okay, now we want ice because today's is not a smoothie, it's a slush. So And I just remembered I have a little bit of watermelon here, so I'm going to throw a little bit of that in. And let's go ahead and put a whole tray of ice. Okay, I dropped one. That's okay. I'll get it later. And now let's check out this. Let's check out this watermelon. Thank you for the subscribers. After this, I'm going to make a subscriber-only video. Thank you for joining. And Jesus, let me get this open. Okay. Okay, so this watermelon is really ripe and it needs to be eaten, so I figure I'll throw a few pieces of those in there. Now I want to just kind of eye these little seeds because I don't want to drink these seeds in my slushy. Okay. Get rid of those seeds. Have you been buying more vegetables and fruit and substituting meals with blended drinks? I don't think I've ever made a what's in your blender that has vegetables, but I've gotten a lot of requests like carrot juice. That'll be good. Thanks for all your compliments. And thank you very much for the stars. I appreciate you guys. My hair is like wet and curly and shrinking up, and I just got out of the tub. So I'm feeling really good here. Okay. So let's try the texture. That should be enough ice. Let's see. We'll put it on ice crush. Wow, I'm digging that color. Oh yeah. Now let's put it on high. Okay, so let's put it on low because I want it to get sort of really drinkable, not so chunky. Man, it looks perfect. So you're probably wondering, Corin, does that have any vitamins in it? And actually, yes. Orange juice and lemon juice, lemonade, contains a high amount of vitamin C. And also, it includes, what other kind of vitamins are in here? Let's see. D, vitamin D, potassium, thiamine, B5, and magnesium. Wow, magnesium is a very important nutrient or vitamin to have. Okay, so let us pour this delicious drink. Let's give it one more blend. So unless the doctor told you, you don't really have to take supplements as long as you're eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. Okay. And thank you for all your compliments and all your comments. I'm definitely going to read those. As soon as I'm done here, let's see what we got. Okay, it looks like I'm going to need a spoon to guide it. That way it doesn't all end up on the counter. Wow, it looks so strawberry-ish, even though there's no strawberry. There's plum, apple, a little bit of watermelon, orange juice, and lemonade. Okay. And if you're envious of this drink, all you have to do is get a blender and buy fresh fruits every time you go shopping. And you can have this delightful, mostly all natural drink too. Happy summer 2023 to you. I love you. Thank you for joining me. And thanks for all the new followers. Cheers. I feel like I'm gulping so hard because I was really thirsty and I'm like, well, I want to bring Facebook in and YouTube. So thank you for joining. I'm so happy you're here. And I don't want to get a brain freeze. Let's see, what time is it? I think there's still time for me to go get a manicure or pedicure, which I've been really needing. I love you. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.